Okay, so we're back to working on this. So what I got to do now is come out of this big fitting here in the back, put a T in the line, which I went and inquired. So basically we're going to come across, go to here, and then go ahead and put the PVC style grommet in this hole, because I'm going to put the PVC valve back in here. And see if we can't pull a little vacuum on this thing and see if it don't make a little bit better difference in what it does. So I'm going to need to cut this right here. There we go. Alright. So now I got to get me one to here, one from here to there. So here's the new hose with PVC and that valve in it. There. Now that's in place. So we just need to get to here. Alright, this will give us a nice piece, so in case we have to switch it back, we got enough hose to do it. So we'll make sure we leave that in the trailer. And there we go. We'll clean this up a little bit later, but this will let us test it out. Make sure everything's okay. Now I got to finish doing my maintenance and getting it ready for race season. And I got to get one more piece. And I need to plug this side up, either cap this off or plug it up, and then we'll be all ready to go. And I need to charge the battery. I've already changed the oil in it. I've checked the tires, checked the brakes, give it good charging, make sure there's some fuel in it, and we're ready. Okay, so here we go. Make sure she's got a little fuel in the tank. Let's do this first. Need to get a new lid for this. Yeah. See all that nice blue in there? Alright. Now, casting my own shadow here. Okay, so here we go. We'll hook up the negative. Then we'll hook up the positive. We'll plug in the battery charger. Let's see what we got. We got 12.5 volts. Then we got 75%. Let's put it on deep cycle. Let's give it a 2 amp charge and go eat supper and come back and see how it's doing, which it should pick right up. I'll probably put a new battery in it this year, but alright. Down there's the fuel pump and where the filter used to be. I should probably take that out because that's just weight at this point. The filter is, its filter's up front. So there you go. Last thing I got to do is start it up, check for fuel leaks and oil leaks, and we're ready to go racing. Alright, let's see. She's all charged up and ready to go. So I'll get out here tomorrow because it's around midnight now. I'm not going to start this thing this late at night. I'll wait till tomorrow and we'll get out here and crank her up. We'll put that in the next video. I haven't started it all winter. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Hope you found the video interesting, entertaining, and informative, and maybe inspiring. Go out and practice your skills. Learn a new skill. Turn those skills into craftsmanship. You never know how far it'll take you. So until next time, this has been Fab Race Mod Repeat. Have a great day.